So what's the latest update on the Cybertruck, Lamar? You might be asking. Well, no new updates as yet. Pretty much at the same place. They haven't replaced the wire harness yet. I'm gonna be swapping out this Model 3 Performance right here because it's very stinky. I try to wash it, I clean the carpets, but that smell inside is so bad, especially for the driver's seat, and keeps getting on your clothes, and yeah, that's not good. So I'm gonna go swap it out. Originally, I was supposed to get the Cybertruck back on the 17th, but they said that's not gonna happen. They're gonna need it a little longer than that. So just gonna have to go through this process with the repairs and all of that. But what's also crazy is I took delivery on what was it, March 14th of the Cybertruck, and today is April 14th, and I'm going back to Tesla. So what a weird coincidence. So stick around for that, and I'll hopefully I'm able to see the Cybertruck when I get there, and I can show you guys, what it looks like. All right, so we made it to Tesla, and now we dropped off the Model 3 Performance. We got that Model Y right there. They don't have an X or anything, so just gonna have to make do with the Model Y. So now at home, we should have 2 Model Ys in the garage until we get the Cybertruck back. Cybertruck is all the way down there, and I'll actually play a clip and show you guys all that they're doing on the Cybertruck. They took that thing completely apart. So I'm gonna roll that right here and show you guys, and I'll just play some music over it.
Is it truck?
That's it, got it.
Okay, just making sure.
So big shout out to the Tesla service team here in Raleigh, North Carolina. They've always been nice, and today, they're even just as nice. So no bad feelings there. I just can't wait to get my Cybertruck back. Hey, it is what it is. Stuff happens, like I said, just gotta kind of be patient with this process, and hopefully I can get the Cybertruck next week because it's almost my birthday and I want to have the Cybertruck for my birthday at least, So yeah, just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys posted on whatever updates I get from Tesla regarding the Cybertruck, and also when I come back to pick it up. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.